Apprentices tend to come through our targeted recruitment and training process, and that's the clauses that we've got in with our developers. We use these contractors to refer people into an apprenticeship or maybe work experience.
It's well worth doing, you know, because the opportunities are pretty much endless if you want to work in construction or any kind of like labouring force.
Like I saw it on Facebook and as soon as I saw it, I knew I wanted to do it.
We tend to aim for the people who are farthest away from the job market, so that means that we are working in areas of deprivation. At the very beginning of their journey, if we've had any people referred in, we'll do quite an in-depth one-to-one with them. So we will identify what their strengths are, what their interests, are they facing any barriers to work? That could be they've got no CV, they've got no confidence, they need that certain qualification to get them to where they're going to, and then start trying to sort of guide them towards their goal, which is employment at the end of the day.
One of a roller, one of a painting, an addy, full of weeds out. Look.
Having this course free of charge is brilliant for us struggling for money. It gives you all your certificates you need, so it's really good for us.
You know, you could be doing anything from carpentry to construction work, you know, building buildings or whatever. I think it's just a real good opportunity to get back into work for anybody who really wants to as well.
We've had a really successful 2 years. We've managed to get 123 people through the programme. We've managed to get 26 into employment, and also over the 123, we've managed to secure 32 of those into volunteering and also work placements as well.
It means a hell of a lot to me for my future. Job references, I'll be able to get a job easy enough and I'll be able to provide for my children in the future is just beneficial to me, really beneficial like.